Oh, I've got my reach, yeah?
About 7-8 minutes to start. Starting to accumulate on the line, the IRCs are gone. Smack start at 11:05. And we don't know our start yet. I imagine it's probably very similar to the IRCs. Transiting down the line, so the lines, there's the committee boat, there's the outer marker. That'll get busy here very shortly. Seems to be sailing quite well today. We've obviously got a good rig. Took us a while to do it, but everything looks clean. Staysail clipped in, hanged in, ready to go. Kites packed down below. All the lines are ready. We're predicting an easterly start, and we'll see what's going to happen. I say only 4 of us, but we're light crews, but never mind, it's light winds.